Hi everyone, welcome to week 17 of hashtag Deck the Year. This is an open collaboration hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations where you use a card of some sort and decorate it in whatever way you want to, and then do a video about it and put it up on YouTube. I don't know if she also has people on Instagram and stuff. I'm not sure. Go to her channel and check. I will link her down below and the hashtag as well so you can see what everyone else has done for week 17. And people might, it's an open collab, so people might participate some weeks and not others, and that's fine. I'm trying to do all 52 weeks because I am using a deck of cards from my mother's house. If you're new here, that's what I'm doing. This was a five of, oh gosh, I can't remember if it was clubs or, I think it was clubs, five of clubs. And I kept it simple this week because, I don't know, I was going to go one direction and I changed my mind, but I wanted to do something flowery. So I went digging through my scrap papers and I had this and that on the back of it. And I still have a little bit left. I don't have a punch that coordinates with this. I think there was, but it's probably long gone. I have two flower punches, but they're not this one. I don't know if that was punches or dies or what this went with even. So anyway, I have the pastel flowers in the background. I used two ribbons. I layered them. This is Offray. Don't know where I got it, but it's a pink ridged one. And then this was in my Easter stuff, but the bin wasn't closed. And that's Crafter Square, so that's Dollar Tree. And both pinks. The pearls I got out of this bead landing thing. I've had this for years. It was full up, and I gave some away in pocket letters years ago and other things. And I still have this. That's a lot of flat back pearls in cream and pinks and pink AB. So I used five of them, and I used the word lovely. I don't know if you can see it there. That is out of this Dollar Tree pack of stickers, which still has Wish and Good Times. They're not good for cars, and it has these weird, like, happy faces, teeth, and whatever, and a crown. So I used that, and then I had not too long ago gotten these from Dollar Tree. They're pop-up dragonflies, and I just had the dragonfly's little foot there, or whatever it's called, is landed on the piece that goes across. So that is my card. I didn't do the back yet. I probably am just going to put a little, I'm going to stamp like an ATC thing and put it on the back. And then I will put it in my book. And let's see, I have all the way caught up. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my book and I'll do the stamping tomorrow. And that's what let me show you everything so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I really like that one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So I hope you like it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and I need that right now. um, so that the YouTube algorithms recognize me, blah, blah, blah. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon with another video, but not a deck of the year. See you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.